S14 200SX. This is a little bit modified, and I sit pretty low, as you can tell, and it feels like like I'm doing a test drive, and I do. It feels like I'm a student driver at the moment, because I'm not used to the clutch.
It's modified? It's very much modified.
Yeah, it's much modified, and I'm not used to this. And it's a really nice car to drive. I'm actually having a blast, but I'm not used to it. Not the clutch, at least. And just listen. This is really modded as well. So, and it started to rain as usual. But I really like this car. It's so much fun to drive. I'm just getting used to the car as we speak. And the owner of this car, you have actually met him before. So how much is done to this car?
How much?
Yeah.
Very much, I can tell.
Yeah, I can tell because it's pretty quick as well.
Yeah, it is. But it's not enough of power.
So how much is done to this car? Exactly.
Yeah, I can just tell very much. Things.
Very much. Yeah, we have Tommy grenrör. Ja, du får klippa bort det. Eller börja om. Do you have any power goals with your car then?
Yeah, I have around 280 horses, like that.
So it's about what you're having right now, right?
Yeah, something like that. But my goal is maybe 460, 418.
Yeah, so a little bit more.
Yeah, exactly. So it'll be new turbo, new injections and other stuff, good stuffs.
Yeah. So could I test drive it when you have done the other mods as well?
Yeah, sure.
As I said, I really like this car. Considering the weather, we always have kind of like crappy weather here in Sweden.
Yeah.
But I can feel they were wanting to get out. But I take it slow because we don't want anything to happen to this car. But how do you feel right now when I'm driving your car? Do you feel safe?
Yeah, pretty.
Yeah, so I take it pretty easy with your car, right?
Yeah,
yeah.
Exactly.
No need to push it more than you can, I think. And that goes for everyone that driving someone else's car. Don't push it, since you don't know how the car is
working.
Yeah, working.
It's taking time to learn a car, maybe 1 year or something like that.
Yeah, and I'm as I said before, I'm so short, so I just have to press myself to the clutch to make it happen.
Yeah.
So I will get a lot of muscle pain after this.
I'm almost too long for this car.
Yeah, I can tell you are right in the ceiling.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm happy I haven't got any engine stop right now, so that's pretty nice as well.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, I love this car. It's so much fun. I really like it. And the power comes like instantly as well.
Yeah, you better do.
Yeah. So, should you buy this car?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? Why not? This is an awesome car. And I absolutely love the S chassis. It's one of my favorite. Because
in Swedish it's a very rare car, but in Japan it's not so rare, I can tell.
It's so much fun to drive this car.
Yeah, it is really
so
fun.
Just have to take it a little bit easy since the weather is like shit right now.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go and meet up with one of our friends as well.
Yeah. It may be wet now.
Yeah. He is just waiting for us. So this is a really good value car because the 200 is easy to mod. You have a lot of parts. to it, and it makes me smile. So why shouldn't it make you smile?
Exactly.
I think this is a pretty good car.
Yeah, everyone who has drive this car or sit behind the car or something like that, they always like it and have a big smile.
Yeah, I can understand why. So right now we're gonna go and see if we can get some reactions from this car, I think, because we have a bus stop here. So let's see if we have any people there. Because this car it shows it's not so discreet despite its color. No reactions. And this car is a little bit modified, or as we said before, a lot. And it has around 280, 300 horses, something like that.
Yeah.
And it feels pretty nice to drive. You have changed the clutch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell. Because it's pretty hard. And I'm a pretty short dude, so I get a lot of muscle milk in my legs right now.
Yeah, I think you're a little too small for this car.
Yeah. But it feels pretty nice. I would like to change the seat a little bit more so it would suit me better. So if you heard a clutch or something like that, you know why. It's because it's exactly that I can reach the clutch. But it's so fun, so much fun to drive.
Yeah, it's a really fun car to drive.
Yeah.
And also I can also tell other thing is actually just the 315 of this in Sweden.
Oh, so they are so rare right now.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't know that. But it feels like a normal car when you get used to this car.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, and for me this is actually the first time I actually driven a S14A as this model.
Yeah.
I am just used to the S13, but you are lower on coils as well.
Yeah.
So, but I feel actually pretty confident right now.
Yeah.
I thought this gonna be harder to drive actually than it actually is.
My old Opel is harder to drive.
Yeah, it is. I can assure you that. So how is it to drive? If you never have driven a 240Sx,
Yeah.
I would say, yeah, it's pretty easy, just take it easy, like me. And no worries at all. And even the clutch is pretty tough. And you have the diff as well. But as you see, I have no problems with this car. And I love it. I absolutely love the 240Sx. It's one of my favorite car. And I love this. The sounds of this car makes it so nice. And as you can see, I could probably daily this. It's a little bit lowered. So as some of you might know, the S14 has a 2-liter engine with turbo. So from stock they have 200. It's
Oh.
yeah. Okej, klipp bort. Trodde jag skulle köra ut. Yeah, and this S14 also has a Tomei exhaust manifold. And question of the day, would you choose this car, a 240Sx S14, or a Skyline? I want you to comment below. And if you like this content, don't forget to give the video a like. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, since I have noticed that a lot of people are watching my videos but are not subscribing. So not why become a member in the troops, and so our family can grow bigger. And I wish all of you a great Sunday. Take care. Bye.
Brothers, my guys know that they fly, know that they ride or die.